Hello, my name is Dylan Fuller, and this is my 481 senior project video. My senior project is a multi-restaurant delivery service to the Cal Poly campus, and my technical advisor for this project is Carla Kirshner. The agenda for this video is going to be a brief introduction, the specific problem definition I am looking to solve, a little background and research that I've done towards the project, a look at the literature review topics I chose to focus on, an update on my current progress, and finally, my plans to complete my senior project next quarter. Being a student at Cal Poly, there have been many times that I found myself staying on campus all day. When this happened, I needed to find meals. My two main options for meals were campus dining or food delivery from restaurants. I myself would often choose campus dining for the speed and overall convenience, but after a while, eating on campus can become a little old and repetitive. In that case, I started ordering food to be delivered by some of the local restaurants in the area. This provided a greater variety of food with a similar convenience of being delivered to campus. But often, the delivery times took way longer than I was expecting, nearly an hour, which is nowhere near the speed of campus dining. So combining both of these options, I came up with my problem definition. Cal Poly students and faculty are often very busy. So with a little time in their day for eating meals, Cal Poly students and faculty have very minimal options for their dining needs. My project goal is to make a business plan that will connect these students and faculty with local companies through a multi-restaurant delivery service to provide a greater variety of options for their lunch and dinner needs while still having the convenience and speed similar to campus dining. So the original idea for a food delivery service came out of a IME 470 project where our service was a wing delivery service. After talking with my advisor saying that I had a draw to this delivery idea, she recommended that I do more research, where I found that there are companies that provide multi-restaurant delivery. But even though these do exist, they still not have found a way to provide those multi-restaurant deliveries with a speedy 10 to 15 minute or even 20-minute delivery. It's still that hour-long delivery. So my goal is to use my industrial engineering knowledge to provide a quicker delivery option. So since my main goal is for a quick delivery option, my first literature review focus is going to be on shortest path analysis. This will help shorten delivery time from restaurant to the customer. Another key part of the senior project will be a prototype application, which will be the user interface or web app that the customer will order their food on. And then finally, statistical analysis and simulation will be very helpful. I can see exactly how accurate my proposed times for delivery will be through simulation. So, my current progress. I am currently in the design phase of my DMAIC process, having completed my project introduction and background. I'm still currently working on literature reviews and project research, hoping to refine my project scope. Some things I still need to complete are the shortest path analysis, the web app, design and testing, writing of the overall business plan, a financial analysis, and lastly, the final project report. So, plans to complete all those. First off, I will need to finalize the restaurants that I will partner with. This will help me determine the shortest path or get a start on the shortest path because once I know the restaurant and I know the location of where I want to have my customers get the food, I can determine the shortest path. As for the prototype web app, I will need to complete a survey to determine the best user interface design. After the survey is completed, any changes that may be needed should be incorporated. And then finally, a financial analysis should be completed. Ideally, I will be looking for a break-even analysis and an ROI analysis. Thank you for listening to my presentation. This concludes my 481 senior project video.